In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can tame a pet here in 99 Nights in the Forest. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now I want to start by talking about how pet taming actually works. In 99 Nights in the Forest, animals can't follow you or obey commands. Instead, taming is really about trapping animals near your base and farming them safely, as well as using their behavior to your advantage. Essentially, you want to think of them not as pets, but as utility pets instead, and not companions. Now, the best method is by using the pen method, which is essentially just animal farming. This is the closest thing that you'll have to having a real pet, and while you can't make the animals love you, essentially, you can trap them and keep them alive indefinitely. To build this pen, go ahead and build a small square using log walls and just leave one side open. Drop berries or carrots inside as bait, and once a bunny or deer walks in, quickly place the final wall and trap the animal inside. This is going to work because animals do not despawn if they are in a certain radius of your campfire, meaning that you'll now have a living food supply, easy access to fat and pellets, and no need to leave your fire during dangerous nights. Basically, you'll have a living fridge. The second method is the bunny foot method, which is the closest thing to having a real pet, because bunny feet are actually a rare drop that you can get from rabbits. You don't use it to tame bunny, instead you trade it to the pelt trader because it'll give you the good sack, which massively increases your inventory space. For solo, this is by far mandatory because it's one of the strongest early game upgrades. It doesn't tame the animal, but it does tame your inventory problems. You can also tame the deer by using AI manipulation. Essentially, the deer is terrified of high intensity light, so just keep your fire at level 6, place flashlights around your base, and doing this will force the deer to stay at the edge of the woods and prevent sudden base charges. This effectively tames its AI behavior, and you can also use birdhouses to have passive pets. This is the closest thing that you're going to get to a pet itself, because birds are constantly going to be coming here. They'll give you feathers for arrows, and of course, they'll also give you small amounts of meat. In terms of using each pet, essentially use pens for food, fat, and pelts, use bunny foots for inventory control, use deer control for base safety, and birdhouses for passive material. When you use all of these together, your base will feel alive and self-sustaining. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.